How to change phone number on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can basically change your phone number on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to change your phone number on Facebook, go ahead and then just make sure to launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch Facebook, tap the three lines option from the top right, then tap the gear icon that you can find here, and then you'll find Account Center. Make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on Account Center, you simply want to go to the option called Personal Details, then just go to Contact Info, and then here you'll find a phone number. Tap on it, where you want to select Facebook, and now you can just tap on Delete from Facebook. Tap on Delete. Once you tap on Delete, you can choose to add a new phone number over here, and just like that, your phone number will get successfully changed. This way you can change your phone number on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.